Hello everyone, this is Santosh and welcome to Tech Design. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can switch the windows easily without checking all the windows. So now you can see here there are a lot of assemblies that are opened over here, and in your case maybe it is completely filled and there will be an arrow comes which will you will be able to select the particular part. So now suppose if you want to go to any of the component, so sometimes it will show the names and sometimes it will show the part number, and it is very difficult for you to go to the particular component. So in that case, how we can able to switch the windows? So you can, what we can do is you can just hit Control Tab, and once you hit Control Tab, don't leave the control, keep it holded, and now you can see all the components that are loaded here will be shown in a preview. So you can just select any one which you want to go and leave the control. So this way you can able to switch the particular window. There is, if you don't want to remember this particular keyboard shortcuts, what you can do is you will just go to window here, and you can see there is a switch window. So once you go to switch window, it will show all the loaded components. So now you can see here these are the loaded components. So what I will do is I'll just go to here and engine head, I will just open it in a new window. So this is engine in the new, it is opened in a new window. So now if you go to switch window again, that will be shown. You can see here there is a one more which is the component which is loaded in a new window. So in this way you can able to switch to any of the component easily without searching for component name or component part number. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the section below. I will try to answer. Thank you guys.